Now we move on to the next topic, representation of rational numbers on real line. How to represent? This is very, very important. Be attentive. Represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on the number line. First we have to draw the line. Draw the line means, that is, you draw a line and then put an arrow mark. That is very important. That is known as line. Then you have to divide. Divide the number line equal with the equal distance. Here the denominator is 2. Now in between 0 to 1 there should be 2 divisions must be there. That is 0 to 1. That is 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. Like this you have to write. The right hand side of the 0, the right side of the 0 contains positive integers. The left side of the 0 contains negative integers. So we have to divide it in this way. Equal distance must be there. So 0 to 1, how many denominator? Denominator is 2. According to that, 2 parts must be there. In the same way, left hand side also minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2. And the upper part you write down, 2 by 2 is 1. And 4 by 2 is 2. In the book it is given there only 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 like this. So for your understanding, just you do it in this way, then there will be no confusion in finding the representing that 1 by whatever the rational number on the real line. So 1 by 2 you mark it is and then put a circle and name it any alphabet. That is I have written here A. Then minus 1 by 2. In the left hand side of the 0, that is minus 1 by 2, circle it and mark it B. So A represents 1 by 2, B represents minus 1 by 2. See the next question. Represent 2 by 7 on the number line. Here the denominator is 7. So this is a positive rational number. Now the denominator is 7. So in between 0 to 1, there are 7 equal parts must be there. In the same way, number 1 to 2 also 7 equal parts. Now we have to write down in this way. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is equal to 1. So in the left hand side same way, minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 7 by 7, which is equal to minus 1. Now the question is 2 by 7. So where it is 2 by 7? Here. Now you circle it and name it with any alphabets A. So A represents 2 by 7. See one more example. Represent 3 by minus 4 on the number line. Here the denominator is negative integer. So we are converting as the same process we have done earlier. Converting to denominator as a positive. That is 3 by minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Then you will draw a line, put an arrow mark on both sides, and now we have to negative number we have to show it. Suppose, so we in the middle first we have to mark point and make it as 0. Mark one point and make it as 0, and on the right hand side you will write the positive rational numbers and negative rational number on the left hand side. So here you will write down, here the denominator is 4. So 0 to 1 there are 4 parts should be there, equal parts must be there. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 you are writing right hand side of the zeros. Now minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4 and so on the left hand side of the zeros. Now the question is minus 3 by 4 you have to represent on the number line. So it should be on the left hand side of the zeros. Here minus 3 by 4, then point it and circle it, name it with the alphabets A. So A represents minus 3 by 4. Now we move on to exercise 4b. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? That is, two rational numbers are given. Now we have to find out which is greater. Like the fraction numbers, like the decimal numbers, we have to find out. Here 5 by 6 is greater than 0. You know that since every positive rational number is greater than 0. Isn't it? Because 0 after that we are right hand side we are mentioning it positive rational numbers, that is greater than 0. Number 2, minus 3 by 5 are 0. Which is greater? Here 0 is greater. So since every negative rational number is less than 0. Now question number 3, 7 by 9 are minus 5 by 9. First we have to see that whether the denominators are same or not. Here same. Now we have to compare the numerator now. Here 7 and minus 5. One is positive integer, another one is negative integer. You know that always the positive integer is greater than the negative integer. So 7 is greater than minus 5. Therefore 7 by 9 is greater than minus 5 by 9. Now question number 4. 4 by minus 3 or minus 8 by 7. So what is the first step? We have to see the denominator. If it is different, now we have to convert into the like denominators. So first before that we have to see that whether the denominator should be positive. Here the denominator is negative. So we have to, using the process, we are converting this negative denominator into positive. So 4 by minus 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 or minus 8 by 7. So denominators are different. So we have to take LCM, converted into the like denominators. That is, we are going to find out equivalent fraction of the given rational numbers. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 28 by 21. So you know all these process in earlier classes you have studied. So directly I have written here. Minus 8 by 7 is equal to minus 24 by 21. Now both the denominators are equal. So we have to convert, compare the numerators only. That is minus 28 and minus 24. So here the number which is in negative integers, the number which is less is greater than the smaller one. So minus 28 is less than minus 24. Therefore minus 28 by 21 is less than minus 24 by 21. But the question is, what is the given question? Minus 4 by 3 and minus 8 by 7. According to that, we have to write the question here. Minus 4 by 3 is less than minus 8 by 7. So which is greater? Which rational number is greater here? Minus 8 by 7 is greater. Number 2. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Here also what we have done in the fractional numbers, in the same way we have to do it. First step, we have to see the denominators. If it is negative, convert into the positive denominators. That is minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 16, minus 9 by 24. And the next step is take the LCM of denominators, that is 4, 12, 16, 24. We do the LCM process, the prime factorization using the division method, then the LCM equal to 48. The next step is we are converting given each rational number into the denominator 48. That is minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 36 by 48. Minus 5 by 12 is equal to minus 20 by 48. Minus 7 by 16 is equal to minus 21 by 48. Minus 9 by 24 is equal to minus 18 by 48. Now we are going to arrange the given, that is this fraction, into the ascending order first. That is a rational number in the ascending order. So ascending order of the rational numbers is equal to minus 36 by 48. So smallest number we have to start. That is, all numbers are negative. So we have to start from the greater negative integer. Minus 36 by 48, minus 21 by 48, minus 20 by 48, minus 18 by 48. So ascending order of the given rational numbers equivalent to this one, where it is minus 3 by 4, minus 7 by 16, minus 5 by 12, minus 9 by 24. Now we move on to next question. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. We may write minus 3 is equal to, that means we are finding equivalent to this rational number minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to minus 18 by 6. Why I have written by divided by 6? Here the question is asked 5. So 1 you have to add with this 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have to divide it by 6. So which number we have taken divided by 6 given the quotient minus 3? In that way we have to think it and write down the rational number here. That is minus 18 by 6 equal to minus 3. In the same way, minus 2 is equal to minus 12 by 6. Now in between, now we have to see that. So rational numbers between minus 18 by 6 and minus 12 by 6 are minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 15 by 6, minus 14 by 6, minus 13 by 6. You should not write these two rational numbers. In between the numbers there are 5 rational numbers. Exactly you will get only 5 rational numbers here. So that's why 5 is asked. One more. You have to add with this 5 plus 1 6, then you have to divide, the denominator should be 6. Like this you have to find the numerator to get that given quotient. So the rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2 are minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 15 by 6, minus 14 by 6, minus 13 by 6. Why I am writing 2 times? Don't think that I am writing 2 times. Here you are writing minus 18 by 6 and minus 12 by 6 you are writing. But the given question is minus 3 and minus 2. So according to the question you have to give the answer once again in a proper way. Number 4. Find 4 rational numbers between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Here 4 rational numbers are given. Now 4 plus 1, 5 we need it. Now here another one, here the question is little bit different from the previous one. Here the both are the rational numbers, denominators are different. So we have to take LCM, convert into the like denominators. So minus 3 by 5 is equivalent to minus 6 by 10. Minus 1 by 2 is equivalent to minus 5 by 10. Now denominators are same, but we should not get in between 4 rational number here. So we have to follow the earlier steps we have done in the previous question. That is 4 rational numbers are asked, so 5. So both numerator and denominator here multiply by 5. Minus 6 by 10 multiplied by 5 by 5 is equal to minus 30 by 50. Then minus 5 by 10 multiplied by both numerator and denominator by 5, which is equal to minus 25 by 50. So now we will get in between minus 30 by 50 and minus 25 by 50, 4 rational numbers we will get it. That is minus 29 by 50, minus 28 by 50, minus 27 by 50 and minus 26 by 50. So same way we will write, hence 4 rational number between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2 are this: minus 29 by 50, minus 28 by 50, minus 27 by 50, minus 26 by 50. So these are, if the rational numbers are given in this way, first you convert, take the LCM, convert into the like denominator, and see that if you don't get the rational number in between them, again you have to follow the first step. In exercise 4b, ticked questions are there. See the number 1, represent each of the following rational numbers on the number line. Question number 3 and 8. Then question number 2, which of the 2 rational number is greater in each of the following pairs? Question number 3 and 6. Question number 3, 3, 5. Question number 4, fill in the blanks, do all the questions. Question number 5, arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Question number 4. Question number 6, arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. That is question number 2 and 3. Question number 7, which of the following statements are true? All the questions you do it. Do this question also, 3, 4, 5, true or false. Then question number 9, find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 1. Do all the questions in a notebook with the proper heading and exercise number.